Hello guys, my name is CryptoSteph and welcome to this video about strategy guide Bill Williams fractals breakout. So uh, fractals Bill Williams are a very profitable strategy. You can use this strategy on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour, on daily. I use it on the daily so I won't get stopped out. So basically this strategy is a 5-bar sequence where the middle candle is a probable reversal candle and you have two preceding candles of the both sides, and an up fractal is a probable reversal or bearish zone, and a down fractal is a probable reversal bullish zone. So you see those dots below the candles, those are the fractals. And I won't go to the theory. You can search for videos, and that's that for how the fractals are made. So basically Bill Williams used this alligator those are three lines, the 13, the 8 and the 5th, but offsetted by 8, 5 and 3. You can use the best thing about this is you can use the awesome breakout strategy, which I think it's better than using my type of trading. So he uses because the awesome oscillator is like just a 5 SMA and the 34 SMA, and calculates the difference between them. And when it's negative you short, and when it's positive you go long. So how I use this strategy? So I use these lines for guidance. When the price is below, I go short. For bullish fractals, you want the price to be above the blue line, and you put a buy stop here, and you follow this strategy, and then you move your stop loss to here. Then you want to add to this fractal breakout, and after that you will put your stop loss here, and then when this fractal is broken you will add more, and then you put a stop loss here, then you will put your stop loss here, and you manage it very easily on the daily. Just you move your stop loss. It's 5 minutes trading, nothing how do I say, nothing special, and you will be stopped out here, and you wait for fractal breakout strategy. I use let's see which strategy I use. I use the JD, no, how does it say that, fractal. So you can use the fractal. If you search on the indicators, fractals and alligators are learned by just Uncle L. That's what I'm using. For bearish entries, you want to use when the fractal is broken and the price is below the red line and the blue line. So you won't take this short, but you will take this short because the price closed below this. So here's your first short entry. Your stop loss is Bill Williams recommends above the second fractal, and you write this. You see this bearish fractal, you add to the short, then you write it, then here is your stop loss. This is your first stop loss because the price went above it, and you have like probably somewhere here, and you have a 22% gain. And for the bullish, so probably somewhere here, so 20% gain in both sides. That's how I use the fractal breakout strategy. This strategy is great for trending markets, not great for choppy markets like this. So also you can use this indicator and try other settings, and that's how I use the fractal breakout strategy. If you like this video, I hope you like this and share it with your friends, and I will see you soon. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments.